Okay, so in class today, I left a few problems as for you to try, but I thought I'd make a video with the solutions, so I think you should try it first, but here are the solutions. So the hard part is always in these substitutions coming up with what to try. So I think in this one, I'm looking at the bottom here, that looks pretty promising to me, so I'm going to try that. I'm going to try u, if you want to be precise, u of t is 1 over t plus t. Sometimes people will just write u, so, or just u equals 1 over t plus t, like an implicit function. They won't say it's a function of t, but that's what it is. And then we got to do du dt. If 1 over t plus t is u, then du dt is minus 1 over t squared plus 1, which is handy because that's what's on top here. So that works out very nicely. So du dt is minus 1 over t squared plus 1. So therefore, du is minus 1 over t squared plus 1 dt, right, in quotes, for the purposes of substitution. So our integral becomes, you got the integral, you got minus 1 over t squared plus 1 dt divided by square root of 1 plus over t plus c. This bottom bit, that becomes a u, that's u. This top bit, that becomes a du. So this is the integral of du divided by square root of u, the integral of u to the minus a half du, which is u to the 1/2 divided by half plus c. Okay, last step, substitute in what u is. So this is equal to, and I gotta find my mouse. There it is. So this is equal to square root of u. Square root of u is square root of 1 over t plus t divided by 1/2 plus c. Okay, that's that problem. There it is from start to finish. Okay, what else we got? Next problem, integrate this crazy thing. Okay, just like before, I'm looking at this thing. I'm thinking, why don't I make that a u? So u equals 1 plus 900x. du dx is 900. Or another way of saying that is, let's do it this way. dx is 1 over 900 du. And then we can replace this in. So integral of 1 plus 900x to the power 1 over 15,000 dx. And I'm going to replace the dx. That's going to be 1 over 900 du. And this stuff is going to be the u. So this is equal to the integral of u to the power 1 over 15,000 times 1 over 900 du. So there you go. That'll work and complete it. So this avoids, in reverse chain rule, you would have had to come up with this dividing and multiplying by 900, but it's all sort of taken care of automatically by this replacement rule. Okay, so what do you get? 1 over 900. 15,000 plus 1 is 15,001 divided by 15,000. And then you have to divide by that. 15,001 divided by 15,000. Plus c. That's the final answer. You should sub in and write it in terms of x. So this is equal to 1 over 900. 1 plus 900x, 15,001 over 15,000 divided by 15,001 over 15,000 plus c. That's it. Oh, you can't see the plus c. There you go. So there's the solution from start to finish with a plus c hidden behind my face. Okay. Okay, let's do another one. Example 21. What am I going to make u over here? U equals what? And again, I think you should try it. Take a guess. Pause the video. Take a guess before you peek at what I'm doing. But I see a lot of cosines, so that looks promising to me. Let's try u equals cosine of theta. And if u is cosine of theta, du d theta is minus sine of theta. Or another way to say that is sine theta times d theta is equal to minus du. So that's what we're going to use over here, because you write this integral cosine cubed of theta minus cosine to the power 5 of theta. And then I have a sine theta d theta. And the sine theta d theta, that is exactly this minus du. So this is equal to the integral. Cosine is u, so u cubed minus u to the power 5. Sine theta d theta is a minus du. Okay, and then we got to just integrate that using the reverse power rule. So u minus u cubed, you get minus 1/4 u to the 4 plus u fifth plus 1 over 6 u to the 6th plus c. So there you go. That's the answer. minus quarter u to the 4 plus 1 over 6 u to the 6 plus c. That's the integral, and then we'll put in what the cosine was. Cosine to the 4 of theta plus 1 over 6 cosine to the 6 of theta plus c. Perfectly fine and answer. Okay, so this one I think you could have done almost as well with just reverse chain rule, but again, some of the calculation is automatically done for you in substitution. Okay, one more, and I'm just going to make u the bottom stuff over here. So let's make u equal to 4x squared plus 9 du dx. It's going to be 8x. I have a 7x, not an 8x. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the x together, and the 7 will play on its own. So I'll rearrange this to get x dx. X dx equals 1/8 du. And we can sub in the x dx into x dx like there. So this integral becomes, the integral 7 x dx is a du divided by u. 4x squared plus 9 is u. 7 du over u. So this is 7 times the integral of u to the minus 1 du. So that's a log. 7 log of u plus c. That's the answer. Oh, I forgot the 1 over 8. X dx is not du. X dx is 1 over 8 du. So let's put that back in. 7/8. And this is 7/8 log of 4x squared plus 9 plus c. That's the final answer. Okay. That's all there is to it. Okay, this one is genuinely more difficult. So let me make a new video for this one, because I think that one's worth doing carefully.